Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make Oreo milkshake. We need 4 to 5 Oreos, 2 scoops of ice cream, some ice, this is optional, and finally a cup of milk. Now the next step is to take a blender jar and add the Oreos and the milk. Blend it for a few seconds. After blending it, now add the ice and blend it again. It is now ready. Take a cup or a mason jar and decorate the sides with chocolate syrup and pour the Oreo milkshake into it. Now add the ice cream on the top. You can decorate the top with Oreo or crushed Oreo. Now top it with some chocolate syrup. This is it. See, it's so simple. It'll approximately take you 5 minutes to make this. This is a very refreshing drink during the summer days. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. You can even follow me on Instagram. The link to my Instagram is down below. See you next time.